Now let's clear the concept of foreign trade and integration of market. We should keep in mind that trade is a medium of connection between the different countries of the world. Foreign trade refers to exchange of goods, that is, buying and selling across geographical boundaries of the countries. Next, foreign trades give producers a chance to reach beyond the domestic market. They can sell their goods and can also compete with domestic goods. It also gives choice to the domestic consumers. It helps in creating competition among the domestic and the foreign producers. For example, Chinese toys and mobiles in India not only given the choice to the customer but also increased the competition among the domestic producers to produce and sell at low prices than Chinese products. Therefore, foreign trade connects and integrates. The markets of the different countries.